up, everybody! Gusto ko kayo lahat. Hey, I was doing just fine before I met you. I drank too much and that's an issue. Okay. Hey, tell your friends it was nice to meet them, but I hope I never see them again. Everybody, let's go, come on! I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years, no calls, and now you're looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop, hey. No, I can't stop. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like the tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner. All the mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. No way yet! No way yet!
I left you insane. Stay, play that Blink-182 song.
And we beat to death in Tucson, okay? Hey, come on!
I know it breaks your heart. Moved to the city in a broke down car. 4 years, no call, and now I'm looking pretty in a hotel bar. And I can't stop.
No, man. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder, pull the sheets right off the corner. All that mattress that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older, getting older. We ain't never getting older. So baby, pull me closer in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can't afford. Like that tattoo on your shoulder,
Pull the sheets right off the corner.
all the matches that you stole from your roommate back in Boulder. We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older. We ain't never
Come on.
older. We ain't never getting
older.
We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older.
Yeah.
We ain't never getting older.
Getting older, you and me know we ain't never getting older. We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older.
We ain't never getting older. No, we ain't never getting older.
Ladies and gentlemen, Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill.
Alright, again, that's a big hand for Enrique and Liza. Hi, Enrique and Liza.
Hello, Dad.
Hello.
Hello po sa lahat mga pamilya natin dito, mga tol, mga sexy ladies yan. Hello po sa inyo lahat.
Wait na
Thank you.
yan.
Oh,
May sinasabing fans.
ano daw?
Ni Enrique.
Ano daw?
It's his birthday today.
Happy birthday!
Di ba? Pero birthday, mag-birthday na si
Happy birthday na ako.
Oh, pero syempre,
Happy
Alvin,
birthday,
ito,
oh.
we're
Thank
all
you po,
very
thank you.
excited na malaman, no, since this is our first official public appearance dito sa Suzuki. How does it feel, Enrique?
It's amazing po. You know what? Since I was a kid, ever since like pumunta din po ako
So it's an amazing opportunity to be part of the Suzuki family. It's just a dream come true. Maraming salamat po sa Suzuki family sa pagtiwala. At maniwala kayo, kaya natin to.
How about Liza?
Liza.
We're very, very happy kasi first time po namin silang lahat makakasama at makikilala namin sila ngayon. And I'm also very happy kasi in my family, lahat din sila nag-motor. So, it was my first time trying it in one of our movies and nag-enjoy naman ako. So, now to be the endorser of Suzuki.
Oh, everyday I love you, na.
Talaga si Alvin, fanatic.
Fanatic forevermore, sinubaybayan ko ang ending.
Talaga?
And syempre, the campaign is called Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip.
Yes,
Trip
para
mo.
sa lahat ng trip mo.
Guys, as young people, ano ba ang mga trip nyong gawin?
Ako simple lang, gusto ko kumain sa labas.
Uy.
Siyempre, may ka-date ako. Diba, kumain sa labas,
Siyempre
mag-beach.
kasama si Liza,
Siyempre,
diba?
ako kasi, ano ba, mas okay sa pag motor ang nagdadrive. Siyempre, may, diba? Kahit di kailangan, may hug kailangan.
Ay.
Mabiyahe pa lang, nakahug na. So, para sa akin, panalo pa lang. Mabata
Saka
pa lang.
plus points kapag may Suzuki motorcycle ka pa,
Yes.
diba?
Naman.
Eh, ikaw naman, Liza. Ano ang trip mong gawin?
Like what Enrique said, I like going out, eating dinner, going to the beach, and I also love the freedom that it gives when you're riding a motorcycle.
Yeah, tama.
Parang you're flying like a bird. Free as a bird. Freedom! And yun, syempre, like she said, plus points pag Suzuki motorcycle kasi not only nagagawa namin lahat ng kailangan namin gawin, but we're also in
Mabilis lang.
style.
Kahit saan
Oo.
gusto pumunta, tara, dito tayo.
Tsaka ang galing na ni Liza mag-motorcycle.
Yes!
At
Hindi
saka
ko siya
ginamit-
practice to.
Ginamit nila yan sa kanilang movies,
Yes.
sa
Yes,
show na
opo.
ginagawa. Ito naman kasi Alvin, we also want to know, dahil marami na rin mga kabataan ngayon na into motorcycles, and we want to know what are the tips or advices that you can give them, most especially kapag bibili sila ng mga motorcycles. Ano bang maia-advise nyo sa kanila? I'm sure lahat kayo gusto ng Suzuki motorcycles, right?
Tama?
Gusto niya ba? Lahat pala sila gusto. Liza, anong mga masasuggest mo? Ako when choosing a motorcycle, siguro two things, style and fuel efficiency. Siyempre ang style, lalo-lalo na sa aming kabataan. The bike should be our extension of our personality and it pays off to express ourselves through our motorcycles and siyempre fuel efficient kasi siyempre gusto mo yung matipid pero hindi bitin sa power.
Pero siyempre, importante yung style dyan kung anong personality mo. Kailangan nilalabas mo rin. Kasi
Oo.
bawat motor, iba yun sa may-ari.
Ay, oo, tama
nakita
yan.
mo na sa motor mo, ano klase may-ari
And
nito.
of course, besides the style, it's
Yes,
also really
safety.
important the safety and
Yes.
the quality of the
Quality.
motorcycle.
Lahat po yan.
Suzuki!
Yes. Huwag niyo kalimutan mga pamilya, kailangan po mag-helmet lagi. Tsaka, importante pa rin sa akin for motorcycle company. Kailangan ako, mas masaya kasi pag nagbabaya kami mga barkada.
Oo.
Isang grupo kayo. At least safety, di ba? May kasama.
May kasama
Hindi ka
ka.
nag-iisa. Importante rin po yan.
Tama.
Alright, at syempre ngayon namang hapon, I'm sure excited na
Eto
silang
na.
mas makilala ng up close and personal ang Liz Ken. Sino ba mga fanatic ng Liz Ken dito?
Taas ang kamay!
Taas ang kamay!
Gusto niyo ba pag-meet in personal?
Of course, dahil dyan, Alvin, we will play a game.
Oy!
We will need 2 teams of 5 players each. Sa 5 players na yun, kasama sina Liza and Enrique.
Yes!
Meron tayong Team Liza will have the boys, while Team Enrique will have the girls.
Tama yan, yan!
This game is called Goal the Distance. Sa harap po ng bawat team, may table with 5 shot glasses,
Oo.
metal measuring tape at ping pong balls. Pag sigaw po ng goal, pagubulungin ni player 1 ang ping pong ball from one end of the measuring tape at kailangan itong ma-shoot sa shot glass.
Kailangan ma-shoot muna ang bola bago mag-proceed to the next player. Liza and Enrique will be the anchor players of each team, meaning sila yung pinakahuli.
And take note, Alvin, this is the most important part.
Uy.
Kapag na-shoot na nila at tapos na sila, ang team po ay sabay-sabay sisigaw ng Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo.
Oo, yan
And of
na.
course, we have to practice it. Unahin na natin ang grupo mo, Alvin.
Alright, mga boys, ha? Practicein natin to. Kailangan buong-buo, ha? Nakasulat yan, memorize nyo. Pag natapos na kayo, kailangan lahat kayo with Liza, ang isang sigaw nyo, Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo.
Alright, let's
Ready?
try. Ready? Go!
1, 2, 3! Lakas pa, lakas pa,
Dapat
lakas ha.
para marinig.
Alright. Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo. 1, 2, 3!
Very good.
Ayan, kasama niyo si Liza.
How about Team Enrique, girls?
naman.
Let's do this.
Kaya natin to, girls.
All you have to do is to shout Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo after ng pinaka-last na ping pong ball. Ready? Go! Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo! Alright.
Wow, malakas ka agad ha. Sanay na sanay.
Alright. Are you ready, Team Liza?
Are you ready, Team Liza?
Yes! Are you ready, Team Enrique?
Ready? Wait lang. Di ba
Para mahina ba?
Wait lang.
Excited na si Enrique.
So habang mini-measure nila, dapat ma-shoot po yung mga ping-pong ball sa loob ng shot glass. At after ng pinaka-last, sisigaw lang po tayo ng Suzuki para sa lahat ng trip mo. So the first group na makapagtapos po lahat will win.
Yes. O yan, galingan niya, boys.
They're all very excited. You know what, Alvin?
Uy.
Masaya ito kasi yung mga fans, nakakalaro nila yung mga favorite couple
Oo
stars
naman.
nila. Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano. Of course, the faces of Suzuki.
Ang siswerte na itong mga to, ha? Ang siswerte.
Ano ba napili yan?
Ewan ko nga ba? Napulot lang.
Alright!
Napulot sa tabi-tabi.
Are you all ready?
Ate yan. Ready na. Ikaw na.
Alright! Ready!
Ready na ba kayo? Okay, let's go.
Go the distance! Ready! Set! Go!
Go! Go!
Yes! Yes! Oy! Kailangan mapasok!
Kailangan
Ops!
na siya.
Pasok!
One more, one more.
One more!
Pwede tulungan?
Oy! Dahan-dahan lang! Eh!
Ay, ay, ay.
Ay, 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 ay! Ay, pasok! 1-0 na kami!
Ate, dahan-dahan lang ate, dahan-dahan lang.
Oy!
Baba mo yung measuring tape.
Bakit daw? Ibaba yung measuring.
Oh!
Yan, yan, yan. Oy! Meron na kami! Pangalawa! Alright!
Team Liza, 2 points.
Ah!
Come on, Team Enrique, habol tayo.
Habol, 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 habol! Come on!
Alright.
Okay!
1 point.
Go, go, go! Bilis, bilis!
For 3 points! For 3 points! Eto na! Oy! 3 points! Tuwan-tuwa na si Liza! Mga mananalo
Alright,
sila!
1 more.
Wala, wala!
Hoy! Hoy!
Alright.
Alright!
Bilis, bilis!
5 points!
Bilis!
Hoy! Ito na si Liza! Wala! Wala! Wala!
Wala!
Wala! Yan!
Yes! Yes!
Alright,
Oy!
let's go. Go,
Isa na
go,
lang!
go.
Isa na lang! Okay, let's go, baby!
Alright,
Let's
Team
go, Mama!
Enrique.
Ah!
Let's
Ayan
go,
na!
let's go,
Oy!
Enrique. Go, Enrique. Go, 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 go. Go, go.
Ayan na! Ops! Tumutulong! Hoy!
Come on, Enrique.
Ayan na! Mananalo na si Liza! Yeah! Hoy! Sigaw! Sigaw!
Sigaw. Alright. Congratulations, Team Liza.
Nice!
Of course, Alvin, congratulations to our winners and congratulations to everyone for joining to Team Enrique. Thank you so much for being such a good sport.
Yes,
and of course, we are so proud of Liza and Enrique.
The faces of Suzuki's para sa lahat ng Tipo campaign. Suzuki wanted young role models at perfect. Na perfect sila.
Tama ka dyan, Alvin. Kaya in true celebrity fashion, Liza and Enrique will autograph the Suzuki Smash Magenta that we have here on stage. Oh, we still have to award our winner.
Oy, picture muna tayo sa winners.
Oh, bago natin sila.
Yes, thank you po. Maraming salamat.
Alright,
Liza and
Liza,
Enrique.
nanalo sila ng jacket from Suzuki.
Tol,
Congratulations.
salamat po, sir. Thank you. Picture.
Some photo opportunity with our winners, with our favorite guest celebrities. Alright, congratulations.
Congrats, pare.
Thank you so much guys for joining. I hope you had a great time. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And of course, Alvin, going back, we are so proud of Liza and Enrique.
Thank you,
They are
Bob.
actually the faces of Suzuki's para sa lahat ng Trip Mo campaign.
Aha.
Kaya naman ngayon, Alvin, Suzuki Smash Magenta that we have here on stage.
Yeah.
This is actually the one.
Thank you.
And to witness this activity, we would like to invite on stage the following. The President of Suzuki Philippines Inc., Mr. Hiroshi Suzuki. Managing Director and Treasurer, Suzuki Philippines Inc., Mr. Norminio Mojica. General Manager, Motorcycle Sales and Marketing Division, Suzuki Philippines Inc., Mr. Jun Pulo. Motorcycle Sales and Marketing Head, Suzuki Philippines Inc., Mr. Monch Montogo. Alright, so now we are with our top executives plus our faces of Suzuki. We will now take photos of Liza and Enrique
With our executive.
together with our top executives. So we're now having our photo opportunity, of course, with our celebrity endorsers Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano together with our top executives.
Yeah, with Sir Jun, with Sir Hiroshi, with Sir Boying, and Sir Monch.
And Alvin, at this point, we will all witness the signing.
Yes!
So they will sign our motorcycle here, autograph signing.
Parang magiging mahal na tong motor na to, ha?
Oo.
May signature nila.
Siguro hindi na nila ibibenta yan, i-display na lang nila yan. Imagine merong signature ni Enrique Hill at
Yes!
Liza Soberano.
Napakaswerte na itong motor na to.
Again, we are now witnessing the signing of the motorcycle of our guest
Alright, palakpakan po natin.
with our Suzuki top executives.
Yes.
Again, how about a big hand for them?
Thank you po, maraming salamat. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo.
Ops! Siyempre, Suzuki family! Tayo naman ngayon. I'd like to invite the whole Suzuki family here at the World Trade Center for some photos with Liza, and Enrique.
Come on over, Suzuki family!
Come on, Suzuki family!
Alright, we're calling all our Suzuki families for some photo opportunity with Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill.
Alright, go.
Yeah!
Alright,
Ayun sa'yo.
everybody, come on.
Ayun na sa'yo. Oy, pares kayo ni Mards, ha?
Alright, we're still waiting for more. Everybody come up on stage.
Alright, thumbs up! Thumbs up!
Alright. Thank you so much, our Suzuki family. At syempre, hindi dapat mawala ang mga dealers sa okasyon ito. We would like to invite Suzuki's dealer partners to join them on stage for some photos with Liza and Enrique.
Yes, ang aming mga nagmamahal na mga dealers. And together with our sales team, the Team Suzuki sales team are here also there.
The sales team and the dealers, syempre hindi natin makakalimutan dahil pamilya po yan ng Suzuki Philippines.
Yun na nga.
Again, we're calling out all the dealers and the sales team come up on stage for some photo opportunity with Liza and Enrique.
From Premium Bikes, dito.
Liza!
Nasa yung wheel tech. Ayun.
You know what, Alvin?
Oy!
Iba talaga magmahal ang Suzuki, di
Oo
ba?
naman, syempre.
Imagine na pala nila Liz Cannon, di ba?
Oo.
And everybody's really happy.
Napakasaya ngayon lahat dito ngayong lingkong to.
And of course, let us not forget to check
Yes,
Grabe.
tama ka dyan.
From our sales team to our dealers, come up on stage for some food opportunity with Liza and Enrique.
Oo. Ay, sino na nagbabantay ng ano nyo? Wala na, ha?
Wala na nagbabantay ng booth nila. Nandito na lahat sa Suzuki Home. Again, we are inviting everybody. This is our day 3 already. We have a lot of surprises for you guys. So please come, check and visit Suzuki Home. Marami po kami mga, of course, new products from Suzuki Philippines.
Alright. Guys, tingin muna tayo sa harap at sa ating mga media friends. Para makita nyo mga sarili nyo sa magazines nila.
Alright. Again, we would like to thank everybody. Thank you so much. Thank you to our sales team. Thank you to our dealers. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for the
Wait
support.
mo naman, oh. Pakipindot yung off. Off the taas. Taas. Yan. Yan.
Alright. Thank you, Wildec. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Wilfred.
Maraming salamat po. I hope you guys had a great time. Again, we're inviting everyone to please come and check out Suzuki Hub.
Thank you very much.
Alright, thank you. At this point, before you go, we let Enrique and Liza go. We would like to ask them for a few messages. Ano bang masasabi niyo to all your supporters na nandito ngayon sa Suzuki?
First of all, we want to say thank you to our team Suzuki for this wonderful opportunity of bringing us here today.
Thank you, Suzuki.
And thank you as well for getting us as your ambassadors. At syempre sa lahat po ng pumunta dito ngayon, lalong-lalo na sa dating supporters namin.
Thank you guys. I love you.
Thanks for coming
Thank
here,
you.
for supporting Kristen and Team Suzuki. Thank you guys. I love you.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you po sa lahat.